How to create an advance payment from customers. Recording advance payment from customer is like recording receipt or collection for services, but first make sure that you have the account related to this advance payment added in your chart of accounts. Next is to make sure that the account to select customer from the drop-down as your subsidiary. You can also select a default customer. After setting your account, you may proceed to record the advance payment. From the main menu, go to Customers and select Receipt or Collection. At the upper right side of the window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the advance payment, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Reference number. Select the prefix if applicable, then provide the reference number or use the auto-numbering suggestion by the system. Please note, prefixes for receipt or collection can be set up from the miscellaneous settings. Document number is an extra field where you can input a reference number if you have a separate document reference. Fill in the advance payment date in the Date field. Select the customer of the items from the list and it will automatically fill in the customer name. Select location or branch where the sale was made. Payment method is where you can select the method of payment. For example, cash, check, or electronic fund transfer. Default payment methods from the customer can be set in the customer list. After selecting your payment method, you can select the bank or cash account to deposit the advance payment in the Deposit To field. Some payment methods would require other details such as check date, check number for check payments, and card number or card expiration date for card payments. Receipt or collection has a few extra fields that you can activate in the settings, such as sales representative. After providing the header details, go to the Revenue tab. Input the revenue description in the description box. Then select the advances from the customer account. Selecting advances from the customer account with a subsidiary you previously added in your account will open the subsidiary window. In the subsidiary window, select the customer and input the amount. If the advance payment involves multiple subsidiaries, you can add another line for the next customer. Next, you may close the window to save the transaction. At the bottom part, you'll see the gross amount, total VAT, and total collection. Before you save the transaction, receipt or collection has a few other features that come in handy. On the upper right of the table is your search field where you can search specific items if you have a long list in your table. The gear icon beside the search field is your column settings, where you can select or deselect table columns. Lastly, input applicable remarks. Then click Save and select a saving option. Save and close if you want to save the transaction and no longer wish to create a new receipt or collection. Save and New if you wish to save the transaction and create a new receipt or collection. Save and Print if you wish to save the transaction and print it. Save and Attach if you wish to save a transaction and attach a supporting document to it. You have just created your advances from customer in the Receipt Collection module.